All right, so what's going on, family? Today we're going to talk about DJT, Trump Media, massive, and I'm talking about massive resistance is at that $44 area. Now, I did a price prediction in this stock all the way back to November the 1st. And we already identified that price as massive, huge resistance. Okay, so it shouldn't come as no surprise to you that DJT didn't break above $44 or 44. We shouldn't be surprised. That is where we actually had our market resistance at in DJT. So were we kind of short? Yes, we had it up there at the low of that pocket of selling. We should have elevated or extended it up there around 46. I give you that one. But we were in the vicinity. We were in the ballpark, in the area that we would expect to see resistance. Now, before I break this down, what I think the market's about to do next, hey, hit that like, share, subscribe, follow me, because I want to show you how we can win at this game without it being complicated. We pay attention to what everybody else is doing. We pocket watch here on this channel, looking at what everybody else is doing with their own money, because it gives us a clue, a perception that many people don't see if you understand these bars. Okay? So let me show you what I'm talking about, because when we did this price prediction in DJT, we were looking for the market to go down, right? It went down. It went a low of what? On the 8th of November, $26.70. It came back down to that price on the 14th and then again on the 18th. So what does that mean? It means that those buyers are holding the price there, period. You don't have to tell me anything else. We had our pocket of buying a little bit lower, but those buyers stepped in a little bit higher. Okay, cool. But the market did go down. That was about 13.63% move there alone in a couple of days of us doing the price prediction. Now, what the buyers did do once they created this pocket of buying right here, what they did do, they lift the market up. And they was able to break through this pocket of selling right here. See that? So they did a great job. They took the sellers out in that pocket right there, so we could actually get rid of it. What they did do, and I'm talking about the buyers, they were not successful at eliminating the sellers here. And once we hit price in this pocket of selling, what did DJT do? It went down, right? So we're in a phase of looking for weakness in this stock. Cool. Let's see how low we think the market's going to go, though. Here is DJT on the 2. This 2-day price bar is telling you what to expect. It's telling you what to expect. Here it is on the 3. Look at this 3-day price bar. It's telling you what to expect. We saw a fantastic move up in DJT on this 3-day price bar. It closed up almost 16%, only to see the market come back down 13%. Wow. Where did the buyers go? You're trying to tell me that once the market and Trump Media came to this pocket of selling, that the buyers completely left? They ran away? They got scared? That's exactly what I'm saying. Because that 3-day price bar would not have been printed if that was not the case. What about Trump Media on the 4? Same thing, just like on the 3. We're getting the same type of price movement. Up, next bar, down. Here it is on the 5. This is even worse. This right here is making me continue to go forward with my idea that this stock is still weak. Right here. The information, the evidence is being shown to you today. This is what I'm seeing. We didn't get the follow through on that 5-day bar. We didn't see the buyers show up. they ran away. The market closed. Look at that. It closed at the very bottom of that 5-day bar. That is weak. That is selling. That is telling you that sellers are controlling the price in this stock right now. Here it is on the weekly. Look at that on the weekly. Here it is on the 2. Look at that on the 2. Here it is on the 3. This is even more weaker. Yeah, look at that 3 weekly price bar. Here it is on the 5 weeks and the month. So I'm not changing my price prediction. The chart is telling me that the sellers currently wanted more. Now, pay attention though, as I'm still looking for the market in this stock to go down. Pay attention to see if those buyers are going to hold this range. Okay, so look for a price to try to come in bottom here. If we see that, then that's another opportunity to grab the bag and just kind of move on and look for another play. But if they don't hold this pocket, look for it to come down to this one or this one, which is where we're sitting at in our ultimate TP. Okay, so hopefully I have conveyed the message of what these price bars are saying in a very simple way. There's nothing for us to look forward to in this stock outside of it looking weak. It looks to me, just to me, that sellers are controlling the price right now. The moment that we see buyers take control, then guess what? We'll come back in and look for the market to go up. Like, we are indifferent on who is controlling the price. I could care less. I just want to be a part of the team that is moving the price, because that's how we profit from the move. I'm not going to be strictly a buyer. Why would I do that? Because then that cuts my ability to be profitable to one side. I want to be both sided. I want to be multifaceted in opportunities to grab bags. That's what we want to do, right? So right now, I just think the sellers are the ones controlling the price. If it changes, then we participate with the buyers. But until such time, I think that the sellers have it more, a little bit more. All right, so I am done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and I'll see you on the next one.